All right. Let's see. It's Saturday before Memorial Day. Watched Formula One qualifying, and so now I'm gonna work on the Jag. I have the air conditioning on because it's ultra humid outside. We got 9 inches at the airport yesterday, night before last. And we got 1.5 inches on this side, but it's still super humid. But it's comfortable in here now. So Derek said he was cleaning the garage while we were in Florida, but yeah, I'm not sure. So anyway, I gotta straighten up and then need to work on that corner. Get it pulled up tight. That's not rust, it's the gold primer in there. But we'll do that, and then over there by the jack mount, there's a little hole that I'm gonna plug. I'm gonna use my hole punch, manual hole punch, to make a little round circle, get a drill bit, fit it up. Shouldn't be any big deal. Then on the other side of the car, I'm gonna patch up the front of the sill, basically same as down in there, where I fixed that. And that's the end of welding. So that's my plan for the day, is get all that stuff done. Tomorrow I won't get much done because it's like 12 hours straight of racing. And then we'll see Monday. I'll probably shoot epoxy primer back on the inside of the car just to get everything tightened up there. So that's where we're at. All right, so I got put a couple of, oops. Let's see. So I got to put a couple of studs in there, pulled them out. What I'll do, I'll use the puller, but just to put them on there to pull them back while I do some spot welds to get it tight. So you can see it's sitting in a little low right there. So I'm going to pull on this first, put a tack up in here, pull up on this, put a tack in here, and that should get me close. All right, got it all in. Got a little bit of touch-up to do for some pinholes right in here. That matches the template, so we're all good there. I'm also going to add a little bit of weld right in here. So I got some meat to do the blending between those two panels. But, otherwise, that's all in really good shape. So now I'm going to fix that hole. Alright, so I took one of the hole punches, or the slug that came out when I punched the panel for spot welds, and measured out. That was 6.6 millimeters. So I got a 7 millimeter drill bit, drilled it out, and now I'm just doing magnet to hold it up in place. And now I just got to tack it and pull it under one. And prep. Okay, I tuned up this edge. It needs to be hand dressed, but got it more blended. And then those holes, and that's where the hole was. The little dentures in the middle is just where the welds at the top of the little plug slug that I put in there. It's all good. This one should be the other side. All right, all done. Got this welded in. Looks good. It's very sturdy. I couldn't really get it just sanded very well down here, but the rest of it's good, ready for fiberglass. Maybe I'll do the fiberglass tomorrow. Maybe not. Probably will. But good progress today.